Hi guys, this is Riyanka and you're watching the Riyanka Talkies. I hope you're doing well and keeping safe. It's been a week that I have actually uploaded my video. Yeah, I took a small break because I was unwell and I was not in a very good mental and physical state to film any video, but right now I am in somewhat a better state, so I thought why not start walking again because I really love doing this work. As you know that this month I'm going to focus only on food, and I have started a month-long series, Bon Appetite, and this is the third episode of my series, and there will be total of 8 episodes, that is 2 episodes each week. So today is the third episode and I was thinking of filming a food haul. Rather, I was searching for food, food sites which actually sell some interesting and fancy kind of snacks which are healthy. Like, I have seen so many bloggers eat all those nachni chips and all, and I was like, okay, I'll also try out something that is fancy and healthy, like blogger or influencer appropriate. So I was planning of trying out things like that, and I was actually looking for Meatigo, but then Meatigo do not deliver over here. I was actually looking out for Prasuma momos. I really want to try those momos, but yeah, they do not deliver where I live. And fortunately, I came across a website called Activate Me, and I was like, okay, let's try this out. So Activate Me is a website where they sell healthy snacks. Some of them are Ayurvedic snacks and all, and I got 6 snack options from there. Everything totaled for 238 rupees. The thing that actually caught my attention was this thing, this Tipsters by Snackable, smooth and nostalgic chocolatey dip, perfectly crispy waffle chips. Do you guys remember that we used to have this dipping thing when we were little children? We had this thing, biscuit kind of thing, and we used to dip it in the chocolate and eat. If you used to get that snack kind of thing, this actually reminded me of that. So I got this, and this is the thing that actually attracted my attention. So let's taste this out. So here it is. It's like, broken waffle chips and chocolate dip. I'll try this out and let you know how it is. This is really tasty. This actually claims to be healthy, and if this is a healthy snack, then I'm going to have this every day because this is so tasty. It's like chocolate and waffle. Oh my god, this is so tasty. And you won't believe this was actually just for 35 rupees. It's worth the price. It's just for 35 and it's so tasty. Let's move on to the other one. Also, I had to switch off the fan for better audio, so I'm just sweating profusely. It's so hot. But the next thing that I got is also from Dipsters. It is the cheese and jalapeno dip and piri piri ragi chips. So yeah, let's try this out. So this is the next one. These are the ragi chips and this is the cheese and jalapeno dip. I'll try this out, and I'm just not opening it fully. I have kept the cover on because I will not eat it in one go. I'll take my own time. I'll eat it slowly, one day after another, because I just got up from food poisoning. So yeah. Not bad. This is also good. Actually, this is pretty good. Just for 35 rupees, and the taste is so good. Like, I easily replace any Lay's or any chips for this one. It's just my personal opinion. I can replace because I'm not a big fan of chips and all those things. I'm not a big fan of fried stuff and all, so I can easily replace this thing. This is pretty good. Even the dip tastes so good. The ragi chips feels healthy but is really tasty. Yeah. I'll just check the trans fat. Where is butter? Here. The trans fat is for the ragu chips is 0.3, and for the cheese and jalapeno dip it's less than 0.1. Okay. It's pretty healthy. The next thing that I have is golden sweet potato with peri peri, and I have just opened it. This actually seems quite fancy. I have been seeing all this people eating sweet potato fries and all, and this is the first time I'm trying out something like this. This actually makes me feel quite fancy. Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm a slow eater. I cannot eat fast. Maybe that's why I will never do a mukbang, because then you guys will get bored. Yeah. Now, coming to the chips. Why do all these snacks feel so healthy and yet so tasty at the same time? I feel I'm never going back to normal chips and all, because these are so healthy. I mean, so tasty. Total. Okay. Total fat 14.4 grams, 448 calories, I guess. Yeah. Trans fat is 0 grams. Saturated fat is 9.72 grams. Unsaturated fat is 4.59 grams. No MSG added. This is a vegan friendly, low fat snack. No artificial colors and flavors. No added preservatives. Even they have other variants as well. Crunchy tomato, spiced okra, crispy beetroot, herbs taro, purple sweet potato, tangy chickpea. I would love to try the spiced okra and the herbs taro one. Actually, I would love to try all of them. You know, I'll surely order. The next product that I have, rather the food that I have, is sour cream and wasabi cheese popcorn. Gourmet popcorns. Okay. This is a PVR product, and this is quite a big packet of popcorn. And I suppose this costed me, the price over here is 39, but actually this costed me a bit less. Everything costed me a bit less than the actual price. So seems like a big pack. I don't know how much air is that there in it, so we will see. Okay guys, there was quite a bit of air. So this is the quantity of popcorn, which is not bad. This tastes interesting. I don't know why, but each popcorn tastes different. The first popcorn I had, it tasted a bit fruity. Then the other one, it tasted, tangy. The other one tasted like cumin. I don't know, each popcorn tastes different, or it's just me. I don't know. It seems good, like it's tasty. Till now, nothing tasted bad. Everything tasted tasty. Everything is quite delicious. But this tasted a bit funky. The popcorn tastes a bit funky because every popcorn tastes different, or I don't know, maybe it's just me. So we'll move on to next. Okay guys, so the next thing that I have at Right Bite nutrition bar. Well, I have been seeing a lot of people eating this granola bars or this nutrition bars before going to gym or going somewhere, and they're feeling hungry and they want something sweet and all to give them energy. So I've seen people eating fancy bars, but this is me eating a bar for the first time. Like, I have always wanted to try granola bar or something like that, but each time I wanted to get that, I felt the price is not affordable, like 150, 200, and I'm not a person who's going to pay so much for a granola bar or something. So yeah, I'm kind of I don't know, I'm not a miser, not at all, but I just don't like wasting my money on things that won't last long. Like, I'm not a person who pays for a thing that I just cobble up. I want things to last long, and this was not very pricey. This was for the actual price is 35 rupees, so this cost me around 30 something. So yeah, this was very affordable, and I can have it in one go, but I won't have it in one go because I just got up from bed. So yeah, I cannot risk my health. I'll probably pack everything in an airtight container and have it each day with my parents. So yeah, this seems like a bar of chocolate. This is yummy looking. Well, this has almonds, raisins, quinoa crispies, oats and cashews. This is so irritating. All this sounds distracting me and distracting my video. Okay, so talking about the nutrition bar that I just had, I'm not a big fan of it, and I don't know, I don't like vegetable oil, or the if it is coconut oil or something. I don't really like the taste of oil coming from my chocolates and bars. This tasted like oil, some kind of oil. I don't know if it's coconut oil or something. I'm not a big fan of oils in my food. Last thing that I have with me is pretty fancy. Like when I saw this, I was like, what is this actually? It's barbecue almonds. I'm like, I had barbecue chicken, barbecue prawn, barbecued fish and whatnot, barbecued vegetables, but I never had barbecued almonds. I was like, okay, I'll try this, and I was looking forward to trying this out the most. And I really like almonds. We have almonds every day, like 2-3 almonds, me and my mom. This looks like normal almond with something sticky in it. Yeah, let's try this out. This tastes good, but this tastes nothing like almond. Rather, I would say this tastes like fried cashews. Yeah. I'm a big time fan of cashews. I used to steal cashews from my mother's kitchen, and I used to gobble them up when I was a kid. I love cashews, and this tastes exactly like fried cashews with a bit of a chili kind of a taste. The aftertaste is kind of, little spiced up. I like this product. This is different and I like this one. Overall, like, I almost like every product rather than the nutrition bar. Everything feels very tasty and everything is healthy. I wouldn't say 100% healthy, but most of them are vegan friendly and they have low trans fat in them. So this is definitely a better option than those snacks that we actually eat, like those Lay's, Kurkure and all. This is a better option. So you guys can go for this one, and I love doing this all. Like, I have never tried anything healthy. Like, I was looking forward to try fancy food fancy snacks actually. So yeah, I did it today and I thoroughly enjoyed every bit of it. I hope you guys have liked it as well. This video is of course not sponsored, but I'll still link the app down below, the activity. So if you have liked my video, then please, what are you waiting, guys? Share my video, like it and subscribe to my channel. We are a family of 108 people now and we are growing gradually. So please be a part of my family, subscribe to me and let's grow together. And if you haven't followed me in my Instagram, then what are you waiting for, guys? Go and follow me in my Instagram. Something really interesting is coming up on my Instagram where you guys will be able to control whatever I do in my whole day. Like, yeah, I will let you guys control my day. Like, you will control my 24 hours. Whatever I eat, whatever I do, whatever I wear, you guys will be able to control it. So what are you waiting, guys? Go and follow me in my Instagram and be a part of my family. Bye bye, take care. I'll see you soon in the 4th episode of Bon Appetite.